Why do affiliate marketers and side hustlers struggle to earn reliable commissions? For many, it's not just about finding the right products. It's the frustration of spending hours researching offers that don't convert, or feeling lost trying to create videos and content that attract traffic. The real problem? It's not what you think. Traditional affiliate marketing requires a ton of skills: writing, video editing, SEO optimization, and consistent posting. Most people don't have the time or the technical know-how to juggle all these tasks effectively. Instead of building a library of commission-generating content, they get overwhelmed and quit. They post inconsistently, struggle for traffic, and often feel like they're spinning their wheels. Most common solutions fail because they don't address this root cause. They can even make things worse, but there's a better way. Imagine a system that automatically finds affiliate offers, creates review scripts, and publishes content across platforms. That's where Super Affiliates AI comes in. Marcus, a former truck driver, used it and hit 2,400 subscribers in 3 months. He made $890 in commissions last month alone. Sarah, a stay-at-home mum, hated being on camera. But with Super Affiliates AI, she made $1,240 in her first 6 weeks promoting ClickBank products. This system builds an evergreen library of buyer intent review content. It attracts commission-generating traffic around the clock. Imagine waking up to new commissions while you sleep. This is the freedom and success that comes from using Super Affiliates AI. Click below to discover how we help affiliate marketers earn reliable commissions with the automated buyer intent review channel system.